Hello everyone, my name is Tanu Mittal and I am pursuing my BA LLB 5 years course. I am currently in third year from Alliance University Bangalore and I am intern at Naivami Foundation. So, I am standing here for the topic the right of working mothers in India, especially in India. So, you are just worrying about or confusing about and you are just skipping the video also to let us see that why are you talking about we have particular rights. And also there is a lead that a woman don't know about their rights, they don't know about their maternity and the menstrual leave, about that they don't know the weeks period, they don't know about their facilities. So the maternity paternity act, there is an act which talks about that period also in the organized sector, the women which were employed in government as well as in private. So later in the earlier stage there was amendment also in 2017. The maternity act was established in 1961. So from starting to the introduction, I'm just letting you the question about that. Do you know that a mother who brings into the world shouldn't have the right to fight their, or they don't have a particular right which we are talking about, as they don't have a particular right as the children were born out from the mother and all, so they also have some kind of rights, no, because they have to save their life, or as well they have to educate their child from behind where their work also from many villages countryside. And we also see that the women are also working, as they also working, so they have a particular and similar rights as the men. Note that as now men are standing up and they are also talking about we are not getting that leave, we are not getting any kind of remuneration, and so that the men have born the children, that the men have got also pregnancy. So they have to see all the sides of the woman and all kind of that. So there is a maternity benefit act 1961 which talk about the core right of the maternity women, which were the women employees in organized sector. There is a 12 weeks time period which was 6 weeks before delivery and 6 weeks after delivery. There is a 6 weeks post delivery which was there is no working for the woman, as they have also only concerned about their children and about their pregnancy. And there will be also medical bonus for the maternity woman and the protection of the woman as she gets pregnant, as they are not illegal fire, as they also talk about the woman will be fired and new will be hired for in the pregnancy time, that will also protected the rights. So they have must to pursue that they have completed the 80 days in that company, or more than 12 months they have to stay in the company to get that relief, to get that act as in pursuing or get in their hands. So later on the in earlier times they got amendment in 2017 because there is a lot of controversy or some kind of mistakes were happened, so the leave was extended from 26 weeks, not earlier in 1961 act there will be a 12 weeks, but now in 2017 act which was amended is 26 weeks. And for 22 plus children, the women who got two or more than two children, they get 26 weeks time for their leave. And they also have work from home option, and there is a Kharch facility. Kharch facility is a daycare, as the women who leave their child in daycare center or any kind of center, so they have allowed to visit 4 times in a day to take care of their child, as their child is proper eating or not, as their child are safe or not, and something. So there is a Kharch facility which was mentioned in that act. Earlier it was not mentioned in 1961 act, but now in 2017 amendment act it was mentioned properly. As we see the guidelines of the